Hi everyone. I'm going to give you a quick tour of the lab room we would normally have a class, which is E-317. And as you walk in the vestibule here of the front door, main entrance, there's places to hang your coat here. And over here, there's more places to hang your coat here. Okay. What else do we have here? We have a fire extinguisher here. Okay, we have a fire blanket here, and this is a special type of fire blanket because if I step back, it's very long and wide like a real blanket. And what you would do is you pull it out and wrap yourself around it and roll on the ground to put out fire if you're on fire. Now, this cardboard box down here is for broken glass. Okay, so if there's any glass that breaks or becomes damaged, we put it in here so no one will cut themselves. And then when it's full, they'll tape it back up and then they'll ship it out. Okay? Now, if we move along here, here's another type of fire blanket. This is almost like a tissue box kind of, although there's only one blanket in it, and you open it up and you pull the blanket out. Okay? See, if you look at, there is actually a sign that says fire blanket. Okay. Now over here, we have an emergency exit. Okay, and it goes into the room next door, E322. Okay, this would be the emergency exit that we would use, if we cannot access the main door. And here's one more additional fire extinguisher, although this one doesn't indicate that there's one here. It's sometimes it's kind of hidden. Over here we have the fume hoods, okay, where normally we would keep chemicals or chemical waste in them, okay. Of course, right now they both say do not use. Okay. What else can we have? Okay, let's go back to the other side of the room. And what do we have here? It's a first aid kit, okay, and inside it has probably antiquated band-aids and bandages. And next to it is a safety shower, okay? And so if you get covered with chemicals, this is one way you can, remove them very quickly, is by dousing yourself with a lot of water. And you just pull the chain. But we won't do that, because if you notice that, there's no drainage to it, okay? And so I think once a year the fire department comes along, they put a giant condom on it and they test it to make sure it works properly, okay? Over here is a spill control kit. Sometimes if you spill caustic chemicals or acids, you need to clean it up. And here are special chemicals that will neutralize it and prevent it from spreading. Okay. Now directly below it is an eye wash station. Okay. And if you notice, there's a place for each of your eyes. And because it's so easy to have, even if you're wearing gloves, that you're instinctively, if your eye is irritated, you scratch it, and you may then contaminate your eye. Okay. And so you would come to here and then turn on the faucet, and we could try it. And flush out your eyes. Okay.